Is stress a good thing? Can stress affect your quality of life? Is this good or bad? How come life is so stressful? We often say that. My friends, welcome to our Tuesday's live video series. This is Cynthia Concordia from Dream to Rise. Stress is one of the truly universal human experiences, and no one exactly enjoys being frazzled or feeling unable to handle a new situation. However, stress also can be a powerful and even positive motivator. For example, starting a new job. This might make you sweat or rattle, but it also may be deeply satisfying to take on a new professional challenge. Ideally, stress can lead to personal growth and make you more adaptable in new uncertain situations. But when stress becomes too overwhelming or chronic, like for example, during a global pandemic, the loss of a loved one, or extended financial difficulties, stress can undermine your quality of life. And this can impact what? Our health. Stress is a part of life, but it is how you view stress. You know what? There is a difference between stress being part of your life and stress as your life. Let's avoid the latter part. Don't make life as our stress. So how can we manage our stress? First, you must not identify yourself with your stress. As long as you see yourself with the stress you are experiencing, this will stay with you. And you'll see that your stress becomes heavier and your problem becomes bigger. So we tell ourselves that I'm stressed with my supervisor. I'm stressed with my job. I'm stressed with my spouse. I'm stressed with my project. I'm stressed with my ailment. I'm so stressed with my debt. What does this say? You have identified yourself with your stress. You have made stress or that problem a part of your life. The truth is, it is not you that's the stress. So let it pass, let it go. Stress just comes in and out. If you always believe that you're the stress, then you are. So tell yourself, I experience stress at work. I feel stressed in my relationship with my husband. I am going through stress because my child is sick. That's how you manage your stress. Remember, our words become our destiny, and our thoughts become our reality. So when you're stressed, what will happen? You'll feel tired going through pressure. You cannot handle challenges or struggles in life. If you always focus on stress and the problem, it will impact your health. You'll feel dizzy, experience headache, and you'll feel heavy and unmotivated. Remember, your thoughts become your experience. So don't identify yourself as the stress. So who are you? You are love. You are a blessing. You are unique with a special gift. The second one is manage your stress. Try to organize your thoughts when you're stressed. Why are you experiencing so much stress? What are your problems that give you stress? Then take action steps to help solve the problem. So change your focus. Why not focus on your blessings, the solutions, rather than the problem? Whatever you focus, you will receive. So let's ask ourselves, what do we focus in our life right now? If you focus on debts, this will surely not disappear. It will remain. If you always focus on your past pains or the faults of your husband, then this will stick in your head. This will keep coming back to you. So instead of healing, what's happening? You are always being reminded of the past pains. Why not count your blessings and the people that give you life? Right? Okay, the third one is always be grateful. When we experience struggle, look at it in a different light. Probably this difficult situation is teaching you something which you need to learn. So look at the positive side. After I had gone through my struggle in life due to domestic abuse, I've learned to see the light, the wisdom, the lessons learned. I became stronger, resilient, more compassionate, assertive. Because before I am always submissive. I've been a submissive person. And now more resourceful. God sends us stress in our lives to help us go through with it. How can we evolve and be the best version of ourselves? It is possible to better manage and reduce stress. Of course, there is no magic bullet to remove life stressors, but there are ways to shape your own relationship to stress and invite in more opportunities for joy, connection, and rest. So when do you say stress is bad? Actually, if this leads you to become bad and it distances you from God, we can't entirely remove stress in our life. However, we need to guard our hearts from it. So stress should not control us, but use stress to make us be better than before. So how are you dealing with your stress right now? How are you feeling? Feeling overwhelmed? Burned out? If you need to have a chat, please send me a message and let's see how we can go to the core of the problem and come up with ideas to help solve the problem. You can visit my website, dreamtorise.info. Again, dreamtorise.info. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, this is Cynthia Concordia from Dream to Rise.